There's the fake birdies. It's Saturday morning, December 8th, 2018, and I got fake birdies. And I mean fake, and they're spraying. There's a clear sky, pretty much, but they are spraying, and there's fake birdies. And I mean fake. Fake, fake, fake. These are not real birds. Look at them. Look at them. Are those real birds? You tell me. You tell me if those are real birds. Look like airplanes to me. There it goes. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. It looks like a machine. That's what it looks like, a machine. Now it's circling, circling, circling. Right over me. And there's another one. Oh, here's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them right there. They're glowing a little bit. Yeah, those are real birds, huh? Yeah. Yeah, those are real birds. Sure they are. Yeah, birds fly around like that, don't they? Sure they do. Yeah. Oh, those are real birds. Just like the contrail in back of, showing in the back is a real jet contrail. Oh yes. They seem to go together. The fake birds and the fake contrails. Boy, there's a swarm of them now. They're like flies. Come a little closer. Come on. Come a little closer. Oh, there's a real airplane. Yup. 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 Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Those are real birds, are they? Sure, they're real birds. Of course they are. Of course they are. Come a little lower. Come on. Come on a little bit lower. Come on. Oh, there's a whole pack of them. Yeah, there's a whole pack of them. There they are. Come on a little bit lower. Wish I had my zoom camera, but I don't. Do birds fly like in these patterns? That's the question. Do birds fly around like this? Come on down a little bit lower. There they go, just like airplanes. Just like airplanes. Bye-bye. Over and out.